Namaste students. Students, last class multiplication by repeated addition you have to learn. Okay, so repeat the same amount of numbers is number of times is repeated. We should write using the multiplication rule. So the same amount of object or the same amount of number, the same number is repeated again and again. So we can using multiplication, we get the answer. So we can easily find it. So we can find out easily. So it means less of amount of time. So sumba kadime samayadalli, so we can find out the answer. So look at that. So we can using the tables. Okay, students, today I have to multiplication by 2. Multiplication by 2. So in the board I have written one picture. So picture not first, you can using the table. So how to using the tables? How to using the tables? So multiplication by 2, I will show that. So nowadays you have to write 2 to 10 tables. 2 to tables, 2 to 10. So you should write tables. So okay, 3 or 4 daily. So 1 week, so 7 days you have to write 2 to 10 tables. Okay, that is your homework for your multiplication by repeated addition. This is a homework. 2 to 10. So you have to send the photo. So 1 week, so Monday to next Monday to Saturday, you have to send the photos 2 to 10 tables. Okay, so practice the tables. Okay, how to find out the tables? So you can using the repeat. I'm already told multiplication is a repeated addition. So okay, so here, so we can find out use. So first we can find out the tables and then using the number line. So Guruji, addition na heng number line ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, subtraction number line ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, multiplication ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. So I will show that. Okay, so look at that. ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, how many times is repeated? 2, 1 time. 2. So we can, each box having two stars are there. Each box having 2 stars. Here 2, here 2, here 2, 2, 2, 2. So each box having 2 stars. So we can find out using the multiplication rule. So how many times is repeated? 2, 1 time. 1 times 2. Here 1 times 2. So we can write 1 time 2 means 1 into 2. We can write that 1 into 2. So what is the answer? 1 to the 2. So item, so number of objects how many? 2. So okay. Next one, how many times it is repeated? 2. So 2 stars how many times repeated? Here 2, here 2. 2 times 2. 2 times 2. 2 times 2. So we can using the multiplication rule 2 into 2. 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4. How many objects? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then, so second one, third one. How many times repeated 2, 4? How many times repeated star? So 3 times. 2 has 3 times. Here 2, here 2, here 2. So 3 times 2. 3 times 2. So we should write, what is the answer? So 3 into 2. So 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6. Find the subject amount objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, how many times repeated? 2. 4 times 2. 4 times 2. 4 times 2. So we should write 4 into 2. 4 into 2. So we get how many? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Number of objects how many? 8. Same the continue the rule. So we can find out how many times repeated here? 5 times. 5 times 2. So 5 into 2. 5 to the 10. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. Next, 6 times 2. 6 times 2. So check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. We can write 6 into 2. It is get 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. Next, how many times repeated? 2? 7 times. Next, 7 times 2. 7 into 2. 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Next. 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 So we can find out another one. How many times repeated to 2? 8 times 2. 8 times 2. So 8 into 2 equal to 16. 8 into 2 equal to 16. So next one. How many times 2? 9 times 2. 9 times 2. So we get 9 to the 18. Next. Another one. Finally, last one. Okay, how many times repeated 2? Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many times? 10 times 2. So 10 into 2. 10 to the 20. So we can find out answer. 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 8, 9. So 6, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Totally, this is the, so this is a table of 2. So okay, so as it is 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 table, all the tables same this type. So okay, times of how many times I've repeated the number, so it is we get the number. So counting the objects we get the product. So these are the answers. So this is the table of 2 or multiplication by. So we can using same table 3, table 4, table 5 as it is. Okay, so now we can go for the number line. How to show the number line in the multiplication? Just one example. 2 and 2 and 3 I will show that. So table of in the number line. Okay, now I will go. Okay, students, I written number line. So multiplication is a repeated addition. So you know that sentence. Okay, addition means we can forward, we can using the forward, so not for backward. So we can using to forward. Guruji, multiplication by 2 means, so we can, the number has to be, can be adding 2 and 2 again, 2 and 2. So we can adding 2 and 2, so that we get the product finally. Okay, so how many times has repeated, we can easily find out. Okay, multiplication by 2 ಫಿಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೋ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 0 to 2 1, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು, 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6, 8. ಸೊ 2 1 the 2, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So we should multiply 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 7 the 14, 2 8 the 16, 2 9 the 18, 2 10 the 20. So this is the product. So how many times repeated? 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. So we get the show on the number line. ಒಂದೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್. ಗೋಜಿಲ್ 2 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೈ 3. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 3, 3. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 to the 6, 1 2 3, 6, 3 to the 6. Next again 3 3 the 9, 6 8 7 8 9. Next again 3 3 4 the 12. Next again 3 3 5 the 15. Next again 3 3 6 the 18. Next again 3 3 7 the 21. Next 3 3 7 the 3 7 3 8 the 24. 3 7 3 8 the 24. 3 9 the 27. Again 3 3 10 the 30 finally. So this is called as number line on multiplication. It is the number line on multiplication. I hope all of you understand number line on multiplication. So this is the multiplication by 2, multiplication by 3 on number line. So yellow concept ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. So now I will go for the then how to find out the numbers. So we can all the find outs has to be keep in mind. Okay, these are the points, keep it very very important. Okay, so now I will go for the another concept. So we can find out the product. So product means the multiplication answer is called as product. So we can tables, we can 2 to 10 tables you have to learn. It will be very very easy. So now I will go for the multiply and find ಹೆಂಗ್ multiplication ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, so now I will go for that. Okay, students. Now the multiplication answer is called as product. So okay, look at that. When we multiply any two numbers, multiply two numbers, two or more numbers. So ಗುರುಜಿ two or more numbers ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, two numbers ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, two ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So those numbers are called as factors ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ನೀವು ಈ factors ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೀಪ್. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 to 5 4th to 5th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದದ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, 2 into 4 ಗುರುಜಿ ಯಾವ ಇದ್ರಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 into 5, 5 into 6, 2 into 7, 4 into 9. So these are the numbers. When we multiply any two numbers into or more numbers, they are called as factors ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So factors we have to multiply, get the one answer. That answer is called as what is that? Product ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The answer of multiplication is product. The answer of addition is called as sum. The answer of difference, the answer of subtraction is called as difference. Keep in mind. Okay, these are the points. Keep in mind, very important. Okay, so that answer is called as 8 is called as product. So okay, so multiply and find the product. So ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ 10 ವರೆಗೂ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 5 for the 20, 5 for the 20, 5 times 4 times 5 or 5 times 4. So 5 for the 20. Next, 6 5 the 30, 6 5 the 30. Next, 2 7 the 14. So we can use in the tables of 4 2. Okay, next 4 9 the 36. So okay, these are the answers. These answers are called as product. These are, so we can call it as factors ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So okay, so now, so this is the multiplication by repeated addition. I have finished 8th lesson. Okay, so you have to complete the, I will sending the photos. You have to complete all the works. Okay, students, I hope all of you understand. So your homework is 1 week completely 2 to 10 tables. Write in tables book or you can write in one notebook. Okay, whatever write in the HW or you write in the CW. So that's why you have to write in the tables. Okay, so this is the multiplication. Okay, so students, dhanyavad. So I will sending the homework.